Installing a simple swap drive in Bay 3. Slide the drive into the drive cage. Align the 4 hooks on the optical drive cage with the corresponding hooks on the 3.5-inch drive cage, and then slide the optical drive forward until it is secure in place. Make sure the 4 hooks on both drive cages are fully engaged. Fasten the captive screw to secure the 2 drive cages together. Connect the cables to the drive. Align the 4 pins on the sides of the optical drive cage with the 4 slots on the chassis and cage bar, and then lower the optical drive cage. Ensure the optical drive cage is seated correctly, and then rotate the optical drive cage handle toward the front of the chassis to secure the optical drive cage in place. Install the server cover.